Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this second part on the series of creating your first invoice, I will be talking about adding clients. Now for cash invoices and quotations, choosing a client is optional. For all other sales transactions, it's compulsory. If the sales module is not running, open it by going to the main PPOS module, then click on the Sales button. I will assume that your default screen will be the one that you can choose the different sales modules from. If your default screen was the cash invoice or account invoice screen, then simply click on the previous button or press the escape key to go back to the sales menu. Click on the Clients button on the main sales menu. This will open up the client search screen. And since you don't have any clients to search for, the new client screen will slide in from the right. Let me explain the fields by starting at the name field. This is the client's name, which will be displayed on the invoices, statements and reports. The billing address field can be either the client's billing address or his postal address, and will also appear on the invoices, statements and reports. The email address field will make it easier for you when sending invoices, quotations or statements to this client. The contact number field is used for the client's telephone or cell number. The note field can be used for any other information that you might need to save for this client. This field will not be printed on any documents and is for internal use only. The price override field needs some explanation. When you create an item to sell to your clients, you specify a default selling price, which means that this is the price that a normal client will pay for this item. But PPOS allows you to sell items to your clients at fixed discounted prices or at fixed gross profit margins. There are currently three options. The first option, use normal selling prices. The client will be charged at normal selling prices. Give X% discount, will add or deduct a fixed percentage discount to the normal selling price. Make X% profit. The default selling price will change so that each item will be sold at a fixed percentage gross profit. The override value field is the percentage value that you want to override the default price to. So for example, if you want to give a 5% discount on all the items that you sell to this client, then choose Give X% discount and set the override value to 5. The area and city fields are optional fields for you to group or categorize your clients for reporting purposes. The credit limit field sets a limit on the amount that this client can buy on credit for. The client will not be allowed to buy on credit for more than this limit. You can simulate a closed account by reducing the credit limit for a specific client to below the current amount due. So if a client owes you R1,000 and you don't want to sell to him until he has paid his account, you can set this credit limit to R1 until he has paid his account, then raise the limit again. Thank you for watching. This concludes the second part of our video tutorial. We recommend that you watch the third and final video in our series on creating your first invoice.